Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and today I've got the PrinceCraft Brio 170. The thing that makes this so nice is it's an electric boat and perfect for private ponds or lakes, or if you don't want to deal with gasoline. We do have the Torqeedo 24-volt battery, and it's a lithium, and we do have the fast charger system on it, so it charges it up real fast. We have three large lounge chairs on the interior that's got storage in every one of them. A little table back there. Um, we have the bimini top that comes with it that folds down, and it comes with a mooring cover. We have three walk-through doors, and it does have a swim ladder if you just want an electric a PrinceCraft pontoon boat. Come in, take a look at it. Yes, this price is $33,999. You can put a trailer underneath for an additional cost. So come down, take a look at the all-electric PrinceCraft Brio 17 boat.